How can I increase my blog traffic in a month? For getting traffic to a new website, there are a few traffic methods that I use. I also work on SEO to get more organic traffic. I will get into my traffic methods, SEO checklist, and email marketing now. Here's a summary of my traffic methods. Instagram. To actually get going on Instagram, you'll need to find the right hashtags. You don't want to use the crowded hashtags since the Instagram algorithm will just kill your post if you do. Pinterest. When I first heard about using Pinterest for traffic, I wasn't sure about it. But it turns out that it is quite a good service for generating traffic. You just have to start pinning. If you run out of your own content to pin, even pinning other people's pins to your boards is a good idea. Pinning many times a day is good for you. Quora. Using Quora to get traffic is a method that you actually can take and copy-paste on other Quora/forum-like sites. It is important that you don't go ahead and spam out your links. Find questions that are related to your niche. Answer the question. Here's just a few SEO tips, since this is getting long. If you're new, you want to set up plugins for WordPress. If you're not using WordPress, just go to the next section. You want to use Yoast SEO, you can just use the free version. It is just fine. Just make sure that you do everything that they tell you to optimize. Set up Google Search Console to keep track of what keywords you're ranking for. Find the link in description to find complete tutorial and step-by-step answer.